Advanced situational awareness training teaches soldiers how to read people and environments. In this installment of our series, Melissa Anderson breaks down the 6 domains of ASAT and shows us some fundamentals taught to achieve overmatch and to keep our soldiers battle ready.
Yesterday there was a bomb on that attack on that road down there.
The Army is using advanced situational awareness training to teach soldiers how to use their minds to make more effective decisions on the battlefield. A large part of ASAT is profiling human behavior, which is broken down into 6 domains. These are heuristics, proxemics, atmospherics, biometrics, geographics, and kinesics. Heuristics involves using things you already know to draw a reasonable conclusion from something you are seeing.
We go through the motions of playing baseball or playing golf, but we don't have any clubs or any bats or balls in our hands, and it's up to the students to draw a reasonable conclusion based off our actions.
Proxemics talks about interpersonal relationships and allows a soldier to identify high-valued individuals, or HVIs, and high-valued targets, or HVTs, more quickly and effectively on the battlefield.
We use an acronym called MADE, which is mimicry, adoration, direction, and entourage, in order for our students to get the tool set in order to pick out HVIs and HVTs inside of a crowd. We tell these guys if all 4 of those don't fit, then that's not your HVI.
Atmospherics refers to the environment and being able to read what things in your surroundings mean.
We talk about the atmosphere you're moving into with bullet holes, rubbling, trash, graffiti. All that means something.
Biometrics means life measurement. This is anything your body puts out that you can't control but can be measured.
We give them examples of their histamines and how histamines will pop up when you're angry, embarrassed, or you just get done working out. So as you're questioning someone, you start to notice that histamine count come up and their face gets that histamine cross down the center.
Geographics can be broken down into 3 areas. During ASAT, students learn what these are and how being able to recognize these will help them during combat.
We talk about natural lines of drifts. We talk about habitual areas, which, in the street terms, it's a 2-way street. Places that everyone can go freely and not really, get a funky eye pointed at them, like a library or a church. Now, on the other side of that, you have anchor points, which are more one-way streets.
Kinesics is paralanguage, also known as body language. During the kinesics portion of ASAT, students are taught to break down human behavior and evaluate common body language.
We analyze just common body language that we all give off, but we really don't register inside of our mind. How a lot of males, when that dominant pose comes up, when they're talking to someone that they kind of want to have that dominance over, how we'll put our hands on our hips to make ourselves bigger.
These 6 domains are a crucial part of advanced situational awareness training. By teaching soldiers these human behavior reading skills, the Army is strengthening the individual and giving the squad a cohesive way to look at and analyze their surroundings.
All right, please take these guys.
Melissa Anderson, Fort Benning TV.